Dylan Black. Let's find out about Fuel Genie Systems. What are they all about? We say hello right now to the President and CEO of Fuel Genie Systems Canada Incorporated and SE Hydrogen Hybrids as well. David Scrivens joins us. Hi.
Thank you so much for having me today. And
Good to have you here.
Thank you.
This is exciting. Good stuff for the environment. So tell us exactly about your business, though.
Okay, so at Fuel Genie Systems, well, we don't put gas in your car. We help the gas burn cleaner, so it uses less. We work with internal combustion engines at finding ways to make them burn cleaner, using less fuel. We work with leading researchers from around the world at finding ways of making hydrocarbon fuels more environmentally friendly. And with our cheap, easy to install kits, we're on the forefront.
Amazing. So what exactly, you have one with you, this amazing Fuel Genie system. So explain it to us.
Well, basically, it's a water-type kit. It has, the water goes inside the kit. There's a place where you can fill it here. It's a motor vacuum kit. The hose goes right on here. It attaches into the right off the throttle body of the car, the motor vacuum. It produces a hydrogen gas that's sucked into the motor. The motor actually draws right on the generator, right on the canister, so it's an even application of hydrogen gas to the motor. It gives you at least, and this is our guarantee, 20% better MPG and near zero emissions.
Miles per gallon. And okay, how long did it take for you to perfect this?
The kit has been in production since 7 years. Quite a few motors were wrecked making the kit. As it is a water-type device, it goes on the motor. If it is not perfect being a water-type device, it can really hurt your motor. So we put in a lot of effort, 7 years. It's been in production.
Yeah, good work. Okay, so it's been received quite well?
Absolutely. We recently had an interview from our UK distributor, and it was accepted as one of the top 1,000 new and innovative green products by entrepreneurs and investors.
That's amazing, because I know obviously the environment is something very important for you. Now, how does it make your car a green vehicle?
As you burn the fuel mixture much more completely, what we do is we run the motor in lean configuration. This burns the fuel mixture much more completely. Therefore, there's way less exhaust emissions. Okay, the gases in the motor is burnt much more completely. This reduces them. It improves the efficiency of your motor from approximately 30 to 35% to 80. Therefore, you get improved MPG as well.
So basically the bottom line here is you're going to save some cash. Yeah,
big time. We guarantee 20%. Users get up to 50% better MPG on the highway. A typical install gets 30% better.
Nice work. So can you tell us about some of the cars that this works with best?
Most North American, GM, Ford, Toyota, Honda. We do a good job with a lot of vehicles. It's more the ones we don't work with. Hyundai, Kia, Nissan, they steal a little bit of what we use to improve MPG. So they already lean their gas. So you basically can't do that twice with those models.
But it does go with a lot of different models, a lot of everyday.
Everything else, That's
wonderful.
In North America, yes, sir.
Is it difficult to install this, and do you help install?
I can do the install if it's simple enough for me, being the Canadian distributor. I did my Toyota Yaris in about 15 minutes. Most users can do it. We have 4 installing garages in the Ottawa area.
Oh, you do? Good.
Oh, absolutely, yes.
That's great. Okay, so then how can people purchase this product? What's the most simple way to figure out if their car accepts it and then to purchase it?
Best way, go to the website. I have a place where you can fill in a quote for your car. You put in the vehicle type, you give the size of the motor, and I'll send you back a quote.
That's good. And you said the response is quite great from the automotive industry. I mean, over in the UK, you had. What about the average person just here in the Ottawa area?
I've been at it 3 years. Hydrogen kits, when they came out way back when, were not particularly good. Because this is a motor vacuum kit, it's been much more accepted. I mean, the garages I brought on board, they were quite easy to bring on because they understood the product.
Good work. A minute left here, and I know that you've got some other products or future products that you're working on.
Sure. We have Fuel Genie systems for motorcycles up and coming. I've seen the prototypes. We also have an anorganic cleaning kit. It is not an acetone. It cleans the engine and the carbon on your car. It actually eats the carbon deposits. The owner of Chatto's Auto Parts here in Ottawa ran it on his car, and he says his car runs like it's running on premium gas, but he's using regular. So, emissions, catalytic converters, reducing diesel particulate matter, and cleaning diesel particulate matter filters is one of the things it's good for.
Yeah, it's some innovative stuff, and you're saving people money, you're helping the environment. It's a heck of a product you've got there.
We love it, and, you know, and with the environment, the exhaust that comes out of your tailpipe is 4.6.
Wow, David Scrivens, sorry.
That's okay. That's
More
okay.
daytime coming up on Rogers TV.